Hi, back again. Just had a couple of knives come in from Wish, both OTF knives. This is the first one. I got this about a week ago. I didn't review it then because I've had a pretty bad flu. So this one is a lot smaller than I thought it would be. And it's roughly about 18 centimeters long, extended blade. It's quite heavy, and I think the reason being the handle is made from a zinc alloy rather than a better quality aluminium, so it does feel pretty heavy. Like I say, it just feels very small, but it works well. Got a double-edged one. The blade does kind of look a bit crooked, but other than that, pretty decent. The handle is painted. It feels quite smooth, not particularly tactile, but good little knife. And the next one arrived today in this box, which is kind of hilarious. It's definitely not Microtech. It's just fake. Both have decent nylon pouches if you want to use those. Again, with the branding, which isn't real. Big giveaway with this not being a Microtech is, again, it's a zinc alloy handle, and it's painted, and again it's quite heavy compared to a pure aluminium handle one. It's got their branding pretty much everywhere, and this is a single edge. This probably is the best quality of the lot I've bought. I think this is approaching 20 to 30 US dollars, so you're kind of getting up there. But for the money, I guess they can't be beat. They're a good little novelty or toy. I suppose you could get into both of these. They've both got what looks like Torx screws or bolts. This one's pretty good. So my plans next are to try and get one or two aluminium handled OTF knives from Wish, and that way you're getting higher and higher in the supposed quality. These are good, but they, like I said, they feel very heavy. I imagine the aluminium handle ones are a lot more efficient weight wise. But yeah, that's a pretty nice one. Yeah, the handles don't feel very grippy, they feel very smooth, and yeah, they're painted, they're not anodized or anything like that. So there we go, that's a pretty nice one. The action on both is very direct, quite stiff, but pretty good. So get me a thumbnail. Right, so I will probably post another video within 3 weeks to a month if I do the order today. So he's looking forward to a few more knives in the future. Thanks guys.